Hey guys, here today we have this 2015 Nissan Sentra, and in this video I'd like to show you how to replace your headlight bulbs in this car. So let's start. First thing we're gonna do, we will open the door, open the hood, raise the hood up, find the stand, and leave the stand over there. So right here, in order to get the bulbs out, we will have to take this plastic trim off. It's very simple, don't be afraid, it's easy. So let's start. Let's get a screwdriver and 10mm wrench. So when we have a screwdriver, we have to remove clips. How do we remove a clip? Put the screwdriver in, raise up, and remove the clip. Also put it make it like this, and the clip comes out. Okay, I already did my clips on the other side. One second, I'll show you. That's how you put it back in. So I already did my clips. I'm going to show you on this side. Okay, same thing as with that side, but in order to save some time, I'll show you on this side right now. So I got all the clips out. Okay, so I got 1 2 3 4 5 6 clips. No more. I got 8 clips out. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and there was a screw here which I have right here. Okay, so now we just raise this up. Okay, don't force it too much, you're gonna break something, but it's just enough for you to get your hand in here. Okay, so here we have lids, and this thing right here, you can just spin it, take it out, and over here we have the headlight bulb. So how do we take it out? We just take it with the hand and spin. We'll try to film it. Just spin it and pull out. Okay, like this. Very simple. If you need to remove it, you just, there are two ways. Okay, well, actually just like this. There's this bracket which you have to move out of the way, and then just pull on the bulb and it's gonna come out. Also, you can just grab the bulb and pull it off. It should come out from here. Yeah, when you have a replacement bulb, I'm gonna push you guys here, just take the wire, the connector, connect it with the bulb like this. Hope you guys can see it there. And same way, slide it in. Slide it in under the like this. Find the correct position, because you have to make sure the notches go inside, and then spin like this. Click. It should be straight when it's like this. So you can see, very simple procedure. After that, we take a lid, take a lid, align it, and spin it till it holds. Okay, very simple. Same thing is right there with that thing. And okay, so same thing is with that light. Another thing is the turn signal is right here, and if you have to change the turn signal, same way, you just spin it and pull out. Once you're done, you just have to put back clips. So just put them in this and close it. Okay, and do that with all the other clips. So guys, if this helps, hope it does. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.